Join your teacher and other learners in our Beginner Flex course. You'll learn to make your own video games using Unity, the world's most popular game engine. There's no software to install, and everything you need is available on our custom platform. This course follows a flexible schedule with no scheduled online meetings, allowing you to work at any time over the duration of the 6-week course. You can use the OutSchool classroom to get support, share your ideas, and learn at your own pace. Over this 6-week course, you'll create a ton of games that you can play and share with your friends. Here are some of the games you'll be making. If you like playing and making video games, our Flex course is a great first step on the path to becoming a video game designer. Join us today. I can't wait to see what you make.